English, and we also have this subject, one subject, and every Wednesday and Thursday lang siya, so we don't have classes during the Mondays and Tuesdays. Yeah. Keep it up. Keep it up. Yes. Kayo ba? Wala ba kayong work? Working now? Okay, nasa Pinas ka lang ba? Or nasa ibang bansa? Pinas. Oh, kala mo talagang, ako nasa ibang bansa ka kasi nag-good night ka. How long have you been here in Bigo? Oh, puntahan mo ako, nasa Cebu ako. Malapit ka ba sa Cebu? Kwek. Huh? Tatanggapin ko yan, libre eh. Libre naman. Bisaya day ka. Yes. In the context of development psychology, which domain develop focus upon learning and memory, cognitive. Labangon ko, day! Silingan na to. Oh no! I believe we have acquaintances or James, what's up? Asa ka sa Labangon? Oh no. Tisa. Oh. Okay, I have friends there in Tisa. How long have you been working already? Like, tagal na ba? Dugay na? Or if you're just a fresh grad, I might gonna know you. And hindi naman, kanang kabalo dyan. I believe if fresh grad ka or something like that, not their friends. Maayo! Asa na day ka nun? Dili ko makapa-up guys ha, kay I'm struggling with my internet connection at the moment. Cagayan de Oro na. Oh. Layo na di eh. 10 years ko diha. Oh. Dugay sad. So dili ka from Labangon, Jude. You're basically from Cagayan. Oh, di ay. Wait. Nag-review mag-Google. So, nakapuyo lang ko diha. For studies. What are the following as a goal of develop sa indicated ako ng DP? Okay, business ko diha. Ay, what's up, business? So, wala na nga business diri. Dili sad ko familiar. Because I'm not really from Cebu City. I'm actually from the province of Cebu. From Cebu province. So, naara ko there sa Cebu City to study. So, wala na, close na pag pandemic. So, because of pandemic, balik ka sa Cagayan. Alright. That is correct.